Can sperm be frozen? Yes, the sperm can be frozen for any number of years at sub-zero temperature. This can be done for fertility preservation. That is, if any patient is having cancer and has to undergo chemotherapy or radiotherapy, then their sperm should be frozen ideally before undergoing such treatment, because chemotherapy or radiotherapy can affect the semen parameters, and sometimes it can even lead to azoospermia, that is zero sperm count. So for sperm freezing, the semen sample, it is loaded in straws or vials depending upon how the sample is looking. So if the sample is good, then it is loaded in the straws, or if the count and motility is less, then this loaded in the vials, and then these vials or the straws are labeled properly and they are frozen in the cryo tanks, which are filled with liquid nitrogen, and the temperature here maintained is minus 196 degrees centigrade. This sample, then they can be frozen for any number of years, and they can be used at a later date whenever pregnancy has to be planned.